Kung bago pa ka sa akong channel, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para permanently ka updated sa akong bagong videos. Mag-practice kong drive gamit ang automatic car. So, let's go! Hi guys! Gonna practice driving using the automatic car. So, I don't...
Just leave it running, okay? You're not gonna stall out with this car. I guarantee it, okay?
Is it park? The.
Okay, push this little button. Push on the brake. Push on the brake. Okay.
Okay. There you go.
Okay. No. Okay, yeah.
How to stop the?
That's your brake. That is your gas. There is no clutch. Only brake and gas. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
So only brake and gas. Okay. Only brake and gas. No clutch. Okay. And there are no gears. So just.
Okay, this one is brake, this one is
Gas.
gas.
And that's the only ones you've got. Brake and gas. That's
Then
it.
I'm gonna press it here.
No. You don't have to do anything with that until you... No. Leave it there. No, here. I'm gonna ride with you, okay?
Yeah, I told ya first time.
It's inside here. We're not gonna worry about filming. Is your seatbelt on?
Oh no, not yet. Wrong.
Get your seatbelt on.
We're waiting for a taster, right?
Yep. He's the last one.
So still good.
Yep, we're good. Okay, so always start. No, leave it running. Don't. This is not like our car.
Okay.
Our car is a lot more complex. This is very simple. All you gotta do is push on the brake.
Brake, then gas.
Yep.
Okay.
Push on the brake. Put it into drive. The D.
Okay.
Okay. You let go.
Hey,
Okay.
there you go.
Yep. Okay. So just
How do I know that I'm running with 5 mph
you watch the little thing there. The one in the middle.
in the middle?
Yeah.
The speedometer?
That speedometer is
Okay.
the one in the middle.
So if I do brake, I will not
No,
touch
don't need to
this
touch
one.
that.
Just the brake.
The only time during this one you will touch this 2 times. The first time is when you park.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, when you come to a stop and you park, you put it into P. Up here, I want you to do a reverse. Okay, can you see out of these mirrors?
Not so.
Okay, go ahead, stop right here. Yeah, good stop. Not all jerky. Okay, adjust your mirrors. Okay, no. Yep, there you go. That one. Okay, no. Which one do you want to fix first? That one there?
Yeah, the left and right.
Okay, push the left button down. Okay, now the one above it, that circle, move it how you want it to move. Is it moving? No, hold it down. There you go.
The other one.
Now push the other side, okay? And look at this one.
Good.
That's good. Can you see the ground from this one?
Yeah.
Can you see the ground on that one?
Clear.
Okay. So go up here just a little ways. I want you to pull, to go forward, and I'll tell you when to stop.
Okay, go.
Go forward. Foot brake, light gas. Very light gas. Okay. Much easier, right? Than my car. Not having to try and get it all right with the clutch. And go ahead and stop right here, okay? Go ahead and stop. Now what I want you to do is back into that road over there.
We'll not go in there because there's a fence. Let's just go there.
No, you're gonna back in here. Well, okay. Go down over here. Go down to the next one and back in there. And then come around and come back here, and you're gonna back in here too.
Okay.
You're gonna back in both. That's hot. Put on the...
Automatic is simple than this. But the simple because I already knowledge about the clutch.
Yeah.
So first turn, second turn.
The first turn.
Okay.
Now, do you want to go all the way around?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, go all the way around. Remember, pay attention to the road, stay on the road. There you go, you're doing great, you're doing real good. Very good, just stay on the road, okay. Should I tell everyone about your test tomorrow?
Sure.
Okay.
Did I do the wide turn?
No, you did perfect.
Okay.
That was a perfect turn. Really good.
So let's turn right turn.
Go left.
Left this time.
Yep, left's gonna go down to that road where we were at, and you're gonna do a 3-point turn there. Yep.
Then turn next in here.
Not that's the next one, all the way down to the. Yeah. Know what? This one here. This road here. I want to go a little bit more forward. A little bit more. Right there's fine. Right here. It's good. Okay, now, I want you to look in your mirror. Use your mirror to guide you. And look at the road surface. And look where it turns. So I want you to turn and back into that road.
B, parking, R, reverse.
Yep. Is your foot on the brake? Oh, there you go. Okay. Oh, where are we going? I said under that road. Okay.
I'm being so fast.
Okay. If you're going too fast, push a little bit on that brake. Okay. So go ahead, pull forward because you're not going to pull into that road now. Oh. Okay.
I forgot. We're on the reverse.
Okay. Put it back in the D. There you go. Go forward. Okay. And just try it again. There you go. Okay, so just back up slowly, and you can hold your foot on that brake.
And the brake.
Yep. So that you go back very slow. Okay, that's fine. This isn't like my car. There you go. You're going backwards. Remember, you want to get onto that road. You're not going onto that road. There you go.
I'm so big. So I need
to go forward back on the road. Go up a little bit more. Get your wheels straightened out. Go forward a little bit more. Get that wheel straightened out. Okay, right there. Remember, okay, right there. Fine. Okay, now. Remember, if you want the car to turn to your left, turn the wheel left. Okay?
No forward.
You can. Yep.
Oh my god.
Okay. Pay attention.
I forgot I'm on reverse.
Okay.
Ay, sensitive.
Yeah. Okay.
So sensitive. No, ako din. I'll try. Okay.
Hold on with it. I'm burning up.
Hi. I rather use the clutch car.
Yeah?
I'm using the clutch car.
Okay. Okay, so which way, where do you want to go?
There.
Want to go down
To the
down
end.
that way?
To the end.
I want you doing a 3-point turn first.
But this is three point.
This is not a 3-point turn. I want you doing one more 3-point turn. This technically will be a 3-point turn once you turn that way. Okay? But you're not staying on the road. So make sure that you back into that road. Okay.
This is 3-point turn.
Go ahead. You gotta turn that way.
Sorry, Dada. I already know it. Okay. I got to drive now. I already had 3-point turn.
Okay. You need more practice on 3-point turn.
This is my first time doing it.
I know, but I'm just telling you, you need to do more practice. From now on, each driving session, you need to do at least five 3-point turns.
Okay.
5 3-point turns. This in here, since we've got guests coming, we could do only one.
Okay.
I know that's just gonna be here pretty soon.
So
in fact,
I will just turn there, then go home.
Yep.
Am I being fast?
You're exceeding the speed limit of this
5.
area. Yep,
Oh,
it's
sorry.
5.
It's 3-point turn is the only hard thing for me for now.
Yeah. Oh, there's gonna be more hard things that we'll work on once you get your permit.
The parallel parking.
Parallel parking, all that kind of stuff. Do you we'll have our car fixed on what are you doing? Yeah, we don't want to tear up his yard.
So that go home directly.
Let's go home, yep, so that we can make sure we're there whenever Esther gets there, because we'll be eating dinner.
Yay! I just got.
But you did accomplish a big milestone. You went in reverse, and you did a 3-point turn. So good job. And do you still prefer driving the manual as opposed to this one?
Both.
You like both? Okay.
I want to do both because yours is clutch. What if mine will not working? Mine is not working. Then only your car is the only available.
Yeah.
I need to practice more with 3-point turn with the clutch.
Yeah. Oh, looks like Esther's there.
No, it's
Yeah. No, the white car. See it?
yeah.
Okay, go ahead and slow it down. Do you want to cross over, or do you want me to?
I will not because there's I will try.
Okay. Okay. Brake. Does this guy pass? Okay. Anyone coming?
Yeah, on my left.
Okay.
And there's one approaching.
Okay. Which way is the other one coming?
On my left side.
Oh, I see him. Okay, let's go ahead and stop right here. I'll go ahead and put it into place. Okay. Okay, good job.